Hello? Hello? Yeah, I can't hear you. You're not talking to me nice.
But there's a difference between having sex and then bonding.
What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Autumn Jeanette, and I am back again with another video. Today we are going to be unboxing this lovely bad boy right here. If my address was showing, we're gonna blur a little bit of that out. I got myself a Christmas gift. I got myself a few Christmas gifts, but this is the one that I have been waiting for ages. Like, even before this past year, I've been wanting something like this, and y'all will already know from the title, but my babies are in here, y'all. I'm so excited. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get to unboxing this. Woo! I love YouTube because I just get to get on here and be a weirdo. Do y'all know what it is? I'm excited. I'm so freaking excited. So freaking excited. Can you tell? Can you tell what it is? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You see the box? Uh-oh. Ooh. Do y'all know what it is? Do y'all know what it is? Ooh, child. I'm about to be a real deal stepper out here in these streets. StockX, always verified authentic since 2016. Jordan 1 Retro High OG Patent Breds. US men's size 5.5 because I wear a 7 in women's. I was a 6.5 for ages. My feet all of a sudden grew a half size up. Wow. I got my babies, y'all. I got my babies. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I can't hear you. You're not talking to me nice.
Come here, pussy. Come on, come on. Get the fuck out of my goddamn.
Oh my gosh, my friends are about to send my video in the group chat and talk about me. I love these shoes. They're so cute. This is my first pair of ones, you guys. I will try them on for you and everything. We'll do the laces and everything together, but I have some outfits planned for these when I go to Houston. You'll see me wearing them on my Instagram. I didn't think they would come as quickly as they did, but StockX said they were actually supposed to come today. They came last week. Wow. So I'm pleasantly surprised, shocked, throwing up, crying in the corner. All of the above. And I love them, you guys. I truly do love them. They are like, the colorway is very fall, very winter, but really fall. I could see them also as a summer shoe, but I just bought them, and guess what? Your girl is gonna get wear out of them now. I don't care about the seasons. I'm about to wear them now because guess what? I bought them. So that's just what it's about to be. First impressions, you know, they are pretty shiny. They're the patent leather ones, which I actually do like that they are patent leather. I'm trying to figure out how many outfits I can put together with these, because one habit that I have that's really poor is having nice shoes that I don't get to wear because I don't have anything to match. So I thought because this had black in it, it would be easy because I just have to put it with the all black outfit. Oh my god. Girl, get it together.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm hoping that that is true and that I will actually find some nice combos to put together for this. I want to also get a sweatsuit or something like designer or something where I can be chill but still a big deal, you feel me? Get some studio pictures or whatever. I really want to start putting outfits together with my shoes and getting tons and tons of content because it is important. And also, I don't like things going to waste just because, oh, I like them, I like to look at them. I want to wear them, like I want them to actually be wearable. I also had to figure out how to protect these, if maybe I should get some sort of sneaker spray or something to protect these, because in the event I don't like these anymore, I would want to resell them. Also, in the event that, you know, they get dirty, I just want it to be very easy to clean. I don't want to have to get them restored like I have to with my fire red Toros, but I'm probably not going to just because it's not that deep. It's just not that deep to me. But I just want these to stay brand spanking new. Probably gonna wear these on Thursday to my date. And yeah, I'm feeling real bougie, real cute with this. Sneakers are masculine, but like it's so attractive when a girl can wear sneakers like this and rock it, and I'm really feeling sexy. Like I'm feeling like I'm about to be popped out, getting looks, getting compliments.
A Libra's dream. A Libra's dream.
We are the narcissist sign. But we're the good kind. We just like mirrors and compliments. That's it. I will say the details that I do like on it is this little thing. I'm not taking this off no matter how corny it might be. I think that it's special to have on there, and I like when I have little things clanking around and jingling around on my shoes. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. The laces are red. I'll probably also get some black laces to wear with these, just so that I can switch it out if need be, because red can be a lot. Red can be a lot, and I feel like black laces... Oh! I didn't even peep, y'all. There are black laces. That's a bet. I can do some... Okay, bet. They have black laces on here. Perfect. So, I'm going to go with the black laces for now, but I might do a double lace where I have the red and the black. Only if I can do it without messing up the holes, the opening of the holes and stretching them out, but that might be fire. We'll see. Alright guys, stay tuned.